Hello friends, welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today I will show you how to create a group on WhatsApp. So if you are new to our channel, please hit that subscribe button so you'll never miss any updates from us. So let's start. First of all, tap on your WhatsApp app. Then over the top you will find these three dots. Tap on it and here you can see new group. Tap on this new group. As soon as you will type this new group, here you can choose your members. For now, I'll choose few of them. And when we are done, we can just tap on this arrow icon on the bottom right. Over here, you can see we can name our group. For now, I'll write my group name as Doers Group. Here it is. And over here, you can choose disappearing message and set time. For now, I'll not be creating this disappearing message and I will tap on this off. Okay, now it's done. Also, here we can change group permission. Here you can see, here is permission to edit group, send message, add another members. For now, I'll deactivate this all from here and go back. And after this, you can just tap on this right icon on the bottom left. So here it is, our group is created. So in this way, we can create group in WhatsApp. If you find this helpful, please like, share and subscribe.